Hi guys! I remember how frustrated I felt seeing so many beautiful patterns on the internet and not being able to read them. It happened to me in the past, it may happen to any of us, because we are not born professionals, we become professionals in time. That's why I decided to make this video about how to read the basic stitches signs on a written pattern. We will begin our journey with the most common stitch, the chain stitch. This is how you will find it on patterns, as a small circles or as a point. And we are going to work our first row of 10 stitches of chain. I did my 10 stitches of chain. I finished my first row and we are going to go for the next stitch, the simple crochet. So for the simple crochet we are going to work one more chain stitch because it's not a very tall stitch, but we still have to match the height of the stitch. We are going to insert on the second stitch of chain, and this is how the simple crochet is done. Then we go for the next stitch of chain and we make one more simple stitch, and next, this is how we are going to continue our row with a total of 10 simple crochet stitches, just like in this pattern here. So we are working the second row, it is all simple crochet stitches. I finished my row of simple stitches, simple crochet, and we are going now for the next stitch. The next stitch is half double crochet. This is how you'll find it on the patterns. The abbreviation, it is HDC, and we are going to work the third row with only half double crochet. We'll begin it with 2 chain stitches because this stitch, it is taller than the other ones. So we work 2 chain stitches and we yarn over once. We insert the crochet on the next stitch. We work 1 loop, and the rest of 3 loops we take them together. Yarn over, insert here, we work the first loop and we take the other 3 loops together. Yarn over, insert the crochet in the next stitch, we work the first loop and then we take the other 3 loops together. And this is how the half double crochet is done. I will continue my row with half double crochet just like in this pattern here. I will make 10 of them. I just finished my third row with half double crochet, and now we will continue with the double crochet, abbreviated DC. This is the sign that we find on the patterns. So this is going to be our 4th row. The double crochet, of course, it is taller than the other stitches, so we are going to work three chain stitches at the beginning of the row in order to match the height of the stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And now let's see how the double crochet is done. we work 2 loops and 2 loops again. So we yarn over, we insert in the next stitch, we work 2 loops and 2 loops again. And this is how the double crochet is done. Yarn over, insert the crochet here, we work 2 loops and 2 loops again. And again yarn over, insert the crochet in the next stitch, we work 2 loops and 2 loops again, and so on. This is how we are going to continue row number 4. We'll make it all double stitches, just like in the pattern here. I just finished my 4th row of double crochet stitches, and I will continue my 5th row with treble crochet or triple crochet, abbreviated TC. This is the sign that you'll find on the patterns. So this is our 5th row. We begin the row with 4 chain stitches, and we continue it with triple crochet, with 10 triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this time we are going to yarn over twice for the triple crochet, 1 and 2. We are going to insert the hook here, and we are going to work 2 loops, 2 loops and 2 loops again. And one more time, yarn over twice, we insert in the next stitch, we work 2 loops, 2 loops and 2 loops again, and this is the triple crochet stitch. One more time, yarn over twice, insert the hook here, we work 2 loops, 2 and 2, and this is how I'm going to continue my 5th row, making triple crochet stitches. I should have 10 triple crochet stitches other than those chain stitches that we work at the beginning. The 5th row with the triple crochet, it's done. I'm going to continue with our last stitch, the double triple crochet or double treble crochet, DTC. It is not very common, but you'll find it on some patterns, and it is good to know how to make it and how to recognize it. This is how you'll find it on the patterns. So let us make now our 6th row and the final one. For the double triple crochet, we will need to start with 5 stitches of chain, because this is the tallest stitch of them. So we are going to make 5 stitches of chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For this stitch, we will have to wrap the yarn 3 times on the hook, 1, 2, 3, and then we insert the crochet on the next stitch, we work 2 loops and 2 and 2 and 2, and then again yarn over 3 times, we go to the next stitch and we work 2 loops and 2 and 2 and 2, and one more time, yarn over 3 times, we insert here, we work 2 loops and 2 and 2 and 2, and look how tall they are, the tallest stitches in crochet. So guys, I just finished my row of double triple crochet stitches. This is how our improvised pattern look at the end. Yay! We just made our first crochet pattern. We just read it together. And I hope my video was useful to you. So stay tuned, because I'm planning on adding lots of videos with gorgeous crochet patterns and lots of tips that I found over the years and that I would love sharing with you. And don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.